Hey guys, it's Matt and welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a look at part 1 of my perfect freestyle build, the frame. And we are starting with the Catalyst Machineworks BANGGOD 5-inch, the new LITE version which just came out. Let's take a look at how it assembles, what's the good about it and the bad, and if this is our final choice for the frame. Let's take a look at the Catalyst Machineworks option right after the intro. Welcome to part 1 of my perfect freestyle build, and I hope you can get for your build also some inspirations. It all started with the idea of motors I had in mind I really wanted to put on a frame. Since I retired my Diatone Roma F5, which was a little bit on the heavier side for me, I wanted to make and build a capable 5-inch freestyle quad being able to carry with ease a full-size GoPro. The carbon and the carbon weave here chosen by Catalyst Machineworks looks great, and it indicates that higher quality carbon is used. Then the rear brace also is optional, and I chose that one to reduce vibrations and increase the rigidity at the overall lower weight this frame is coming in now. By design, the BANGGOD is coming with a front brace, and that also reduces vibrations, increases rigidity, and at the lower weight the new BANGGOD LITE frame is now coming in. It is really the best of both worlds, providing great flight performance at the same motor output, and at the same time, by design of the frame, handling vibrations much better and not being subject to vibration issues.
I forgot my pistol, I don't have my gun. When I shoot, I miss. Have to focus right now. The beats, the stakes are running very hard. Drive through, you see my hands are tied. Less bottles are stretched in an open line. Now you see, my darling, it's my turn to shine. My whole eyes will aim, I will strike you down. You see, I free my mind.
After having the bottom plate assembled, I really have a good first impression. And I already had a very good impression with the Catalyst Machineworks Shocker, where I was building a long-range cruiser quite some time back. That is the reason why I choose Catalyst Machineworks again now, because of the good experience, hoping also to find a good frame for a great freestyle build. What I really like and what a good indicator for high quality is that Catalyst Machineworks is using 170,000 psi strong screws for the areas of high load, and that is kind of an expensive choice to make for the frame overall. A way and a choice of hardware many frame designers don't go. So all those kind of light blue screws we are seeing here are 170,000 PSI super screws, like Catalyst Machineworks is naming them. I also really like the design of the camera cage out of carbon fiber without any TPU parts in front, which also indicates more rigidity and also reduces weight, since TPU parts unnecessarily put on the frame would increase the weight and reduce the performance. TPU parts I just chose for the arms at the edges when they are bumping into something, that they don't splitter or scratch too much. But besides that, even for the rear, for the antennas, I will strap them directly to the standoffs and will not use any TPU parts there. Not just because of weight, but also because of vibrations, since vibration characteristics shown to be better when TPU parts are reduced and the antennas are strapped directly to the fixed structure of the frame.
If only it could be just a storyline. If only all this fiction.
And before we make our final pick for the frame, here a preview of the second choice of the frame. Maybe some of you can guess what it is. Leave it in the comments below. And as always guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe to the channel to stay tuned for more content. Have a great rest of the day, stay safe, and see you in the next one.